dragon rolls, you can see right there, got the eel on top of all of them. Jesus. Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. I'm down here in Georgetown, DC, right on the water. That's Virginia right across, but it's all the DMV. It's just one county that calls themselves a DMV because all of them are too small to be considered a state or a unit. But anyway, I'm about to have dinner in the show. I got some sushi from this place called Ai Tai that had a dragon roll, which is supposedly the eel just stretched straight out. Another roll with some shiitake mushrooms and a few other things. My man over there about to get to it. He's just getting his Pepsi right. Like, you gotta love DC because it's just the best vibes. It's exactly what I wanted for my Tuesday afternoon. She definitely lied about the eel. Oh no, she didn't. I'm about to do the cookout table. Fly ass chopsticks. So they got the dragon roll, which is a California roll, and the eel on top, a little bit of fish eggs, and then that roll right there. I gotta be honest, I forgot the name, but that's crab stick, cucumber, actual egg. That's what the yellow stuff is. And yeah, it looks crazy. Crazy. I can't even pronounce what the other roll is. That's why I didn't try it. Something start with an F, but you see the egg on there. I know he get his tuning right, but goddamn. So, as always, rate everything on 4 categories: saltiness, freshness / overall taste, uniqueness of the roll, and presentation. I gotta be honest. The presentation of this is pretty damn good. I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5. Like, this shit is very well put together. It's not sloppy, it's not all over the place. The uniqueness, I give them a 3 out of 5. When she said the dragon roll, I was expecting something to look crazy. Like, it's dope, but they're not really reinventing the wheel by throwing some eel on top of a California roll. And just by throwing an egg and a California roll with a real crab stick is just, it ain't basic, but you know what I mean? Like, I expect them to go all out. I was wrong. Well, I wasn't wrong. It's not reinventing the wheel, but this shit is good. I'm gonna just put the name down below. But the egg inside, crab stick, the shiitake mushroom, it's like, it's strong good. It cheated a little bit because the sauce from the eel ran over, but it's still good. This eel, this dragon roll. What's going on? My man is about to join me. Whatever. But yeah. It's 5 out of 5 on the freshness / overall taste. Definitely 5 out of 5 on the freshness overall taste. Saltiness on both of them, I have 4 out of 5. They could both stand to be a little bit more salty, but oh no, Ai Tai and everything. Ai Tai is at work. You in Georgetown, DC, and you want dinner and a show and company, come into the water. Hold you. I might have to get ready to boogie, so. This is another episode. Stay tuned, September Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. Like I said, if you ever in DC, I'll let Ai Tai.